2 teaspoons of baking powder. Stir everything together to incorporate well. So we are making a short crust pastry today. Room temperature butter. This is 250 grams of butter. Rubbing this butter into the flour. I'll be rubbing it in to form a breadcrumb like for it. When I said breadcrumb, this is what I'm talking about. You see? So I'll be adding in some cold water. I will knead it very gently. I will knead it gently to form a dough. And I'll be touching it for you to see the consistency. It's soft and our dough has formed. So now we will be putting this dough. I'll be cutting this dough in 2 parts. So I'll be putting the first part in the cling film. So I'll press it down a bit. Then I'll wrap it around. So I'll be putting it in the fridge for it to relax till the filling is ready. Then I'll bring it out. So this short crust pastry, you can actually leave it in your fridge for 2 to 3 days before you use it. It will not actually go bad. Some vegetable oil, you can use any oil of your choice. Just go in with my minced beef. So I will stir this together, then I will allow it to start cooking. I'll be going in with some beef seasoning and a little bit of rosemary and salt. Know that seasoning and salt is always according to your taste. So I'll put in some grounded pepper. This is highly optional, so I'll cover it. For these are some finely peeled potato and carrots. Bear in mind that we are making meat pie, not carrot and potato pie. I'll be dicing it in smaller shapes. Adding in the carrot and the Irish potato. Then I'll give everything a good stir. The reason why the Irish potato is mush because it's going to serve as a thickener. I will not be adding anything like flour to this. It's just this Irish potato and carrot. So to this, there is no water in this pot. I'll be adding in some water. So I just add in 1 cup of water. Then I'll cover it for the potato and carrots to cook. So our filling has been cooking pretty well. You can see. So I'll be mashing down some potatoes. So at this point, our filling is ready. Can you see how creamy and thick it is? So I'll allow this filling to cool down and we'll proceed to the next step. So to my working surface, so these are dough. It has been resting in the fridge. I'll roll it out. So if you have a round cutter, you can use a round cutter, but this is what I normally use. I'll be adding the filling, then egg wash.